How are you, kids? Today is an exciting day for us to learn more. I hope you will like it. But take note, once more I want to remind you that never to copy any part of this video in any form without my consent. Otherwise, you will be held liable under the intellectual property laws of the Philippines.
Our subject is kindergarten juniors. Here are the icons you need to know. Remember always, writing icon, it's writing time. So you have to pause the video so you can write well. Then continue with the video if you are finished copying what's on the screen. Action time. Things to prepare. Prepare those things mentioned in action time. Today. Now it's time to sing. I know you know this song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Nice! One more time. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Right, very good. Sing with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. One more time. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Nice! Okay. Let us learn our shapes. We have here circle. Say it. Circle. Circle. And this one, the triangle. Say it. Triangle. Read it. Triangle. And we have the square. Square. Read it one more time. Square. And this one is the rectangle. Read it. Rectangle. Say it. Rectangle. And this one is an ellipse. 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 And this one is an oval. Read it. Oval. One more time. Oval. And this one is a heart. 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 And this last one is the diamond. Read it. Diamond. One more time. Read it. Diamond. These are our shapes. We will learn now about the different fruits. You have to eat a lot of fruits, for they are rich in vitamins and minerals for your healthy bodies. Fruits. What is this? Avocado. 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 Carambola. 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 Papaya. 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 Rambutan. 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 Pomelo. Pomelo. And this is coconut. 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 Mangosteen. 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 And this is dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. And this is kiwi. Guava. This is guava. Guava. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. And it's counting time. Do you know how to count already? If not, don't worry. I'm gonna teach you every day. Right? So let us start. So look at this. Let us count with Mr. and Miss Centipede. Are you ready? Ready? Start. Count with Teacher Marcel if you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 balls. Okay, shall we do it again? Alright, so let us count again. 1 to 10. Are you ready? Count with Teacher Marcel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 balls in a row. So let us proceed. Next one here is our reading time. Okay, so let us see what we will do today. First here, oh, there is something to do, so we have to read what you should do. Are you ready? Encircle the picture which are the same. So we have to circle pictures which are the same. If they are not, then we will not encircle them. Okay? So let us try this. Oh, that's a ducky ducky quack. And what about this one? Another ducky quack. Are they the same? Yes. So we will encircle them. That's it. So since they are the same, we will encircle them. Okay. Next example. But first, we have to read what to do again. Are you ready? Follow Teacher Marcel and the red line. Shall we start? Okay. Encircle the picture which are the same. Alright, let us see what we have. Oh, are they the same? Look at them. Yes, they are the same, but the other one is facing to the left and the second one is facing to the right. But they are exactly the same. So we have to encircle them. Alright? Good. Okay, let us proceed. Next one here. Our next example. But first, we have to read the instruction. So you will master reading instructions. Ready? Start. Encircle the picture which are the same. So the same thing. Let us see what we have. Oh, are they the same? Okay, they are not the same, though they both can fly, right? But one is an airplane and the other one is a helicopter. So we don't encircle them, right? So let us proceed to our next example. There it is again, our instruction. We have to read our instruction before we proceed to the example. Are you ready? Let us read. Encircle the picture which are the same. Alright, so what do we have here? Oh, there are teddy bears. And do they exactly look the same? Yes, so we have to encircle them. Right? Yes, too easy, right? Next. So, our next example. But first again, we have to read instruction. Encircle the picture which are the same. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, a teddy bear and a doll. And there's a ball behind. Are they all the same? Oh no. So we don't encircle them. Alright? Let us proceed. Oh, now do your Reading Made Easy book, pages 5 and 6. So it's time for you to pause the video. Ask mom to pause the video to help you if you can't. And open your book, Reading Made Easy, pages 5 and 6. You can do it. Alright? Then after that, you have to proceed with the video. Time for a break. You eat your snacks now and be back after you are finished eating. Now, what do you see in the screen? Ooh, there is the black sheep. You know his name? It's Baba. So Baba, Black Sheep. That is our next song. Do you know that song? All right. So, but first, we will read the words of the song. Are you ready? First, you look at the lyrics or the words with Teacher Marcel, and later you read with Teacher Marcel. Okay? Ready? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master, and 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Wow. Baba Black Sheep is very kind. He's giving out his wool. Okay? Now to 3 people. Okay, so let us read. Are you ready now? Ready? Start. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master, and 1 for my dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. So here are the 3 people to whom Baba Black Sheep will give his wool. Right? Are you ready now to sing? Okay, ready. Ready? Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. One more time. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. And these are the things we see in school. Books. 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 Pencil. 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 Crayons. 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 Sharpener. 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 Scissors. 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 Bag. 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 Notebook. Notebook. Eraser. 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 Paste. 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 Watercolor. 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 Clips. Clips. These are the things we see in school. Now let us learn the parts of the house. This is roof. Say it, roof. And this is window. Window. You open your window so you can see things outside your house. And this is the door, where we pass when we enter and goes out the house. Door. And we have the stairs. Say it, stairs. And the fence. This is outside the house. And we have the wall. It can be the wall of the house. And this is the lamp post to give light when it is dark. It's mathematics time. So let us learn your math. And you will do your math book. Okay, let us proceed. Oh, what is this? The wonderful world of colors. Wow, a dancing rainbow. So let us learn the colors in the rainbow. Oh, the rainbow. So what do we have here? A rainbow. Let us name the colors of the rainbow. Are you ready? Say it with Teacher Marcel. Okay, let us start now. Red. Say it. Red. Orange. Say it. Orange. Yellow. Nice color, yellow. Green. Green. Blue. Say it. Blue. Indigo. Say it. Indigo. And the last one after indigo is violet. Violet. Say it. Violet. So we will be learning about colors in your math today. Now, it's time for you to do your book again. So do your mathematics book, page 2. Which means you have to pause the video and then do page 2 of your mathematics book. After that, continue with our next lesson. Right. Let us count again. Let us recall our counting in the first part of our lesson today. Are you ready? Right, so let us count again with Mr. and Miss Centipedes. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! We made it! So every day, we will learn how to count. Okay? Oh, see! What do we have here? Wow! Happy monkeys jumping on the bed. But let us see. What will happen to them? It's quite dangerous. They might fall. Do you also jump on the bed? Oh, you have to be very careful. It's dangerous. You might fall. And let us see. So, our poem today is about the 5 little monkeys. So, let us have our 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Oh, but they keep on jumping, though the doctor said they have to not to jump. No more jumping on the bed because it's dangerous. Okay, before we continue with our poem, let us read first, okay? Now, are you ready? Follow Teacher Marcel and the white dot. Ready? Start. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." OMG. So there should be no more monkeys. But look, they keep on jumping still. But there are only 4 left. Notice? Count them. There are only 4 monkeys jumping on the bed. So let us see what happened to the 4 little monkeys. Ready? Let us read. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Oh, the doctor keeps on saying, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed because it's dangerous. You will fall." So now the 4 becomes 3 monkeys. So let us see what happens to these 3 little monkeys still jumping on the bed. Let us start reading. Go. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Oh, there are only 2 left. But look at the 2 of them. Still they're jumping on the bed. Oh, let us see what happens to these 2. Let us read now. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Uh-oh, uh-oh. See? But still, he keeps on jumping. There is only 1 left. Let us see what happens to this. 1 cute monkey jumping still. Ready? Read. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell down and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those monkeys back to the bed." Oh, they're back to bed. Oh, the 5 of them, but still jumping. Okay. Now, are you ready to recite with Teacher Marcel? Okay, let's recite it now. The 5 little monkeys. Are you ready? Let's do this together and continuously. Ready? Start. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." And three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, one left. One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell down and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those monkeys back to bed." Oh, and they're back, still jumping on the bed. So, stop jumping. Now let us learn the things in the kitchen. And this one is the whisk. 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 This is the flipper, to flip the frying fish. Flipper. Flipper. And this is the ladle. Ladle to get some soup. Ladle. And this is the chopping board. Chopping board. Chopping board. And this is the knife. Be careful with the knife. They are sharp. You might cut your finger. Knife. Knife. The kettle. The kettle where we cook our hot water. Kettle. And this is our pot where we cook our vegetable. And this is our pan. Pan where we fry our eggs and fish. Pan. Pan. Again, this is the whisk. Whisk, that is to beat your egg. The flipper. Let us learn about vegetables. Do you eat vegetables? You should, to make yourselves healthy. What is this? Spring onion. Spring onion. Spring onion. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Carrots. Carrots. Cucumber. 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 Mushroom. 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 Broccoli. 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 Kale. 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 Squash. It's so different. Squash. Squash. Peppers. Peppers. Cassava. 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 Turnip. 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 Those are vegetables.
I hope you're still fine after this lesson. Bye!